All eyes are on the U.S. election. Global bourses and U.S. futures cheered as the FBI found no new evidence to charge presidential candidate Hillary Clinton. U.S. indices closed slightly lower at the end of last week following a strong corrective week. Now, we saw that household and personal products, food, beverage, and tobacco, and the insurance sectors were under pressure. In terms of economic data, the trade deficit improved to $36.4 billion in September, and U.S. non-farm payrolls increased by 161,000 jobs last month amid gains in construction. It did come in slightly below forecast, but prior month gains were upwardly revised. On the other hand, the unemployment rate in the U.S. improved to 4.9% in October from 5% in the prior month. As for your advancers and decliners at the end of last week in the U.S., 53% of S&P 500 constituents traded lower on Friday. And in the after-hours market, Berkshire Hathaway's third-quarter profit fell 24% from a year earlier, but acquisitions helped boost operating profit. Quarterly net income for Nebraska-based Berkshire fell to $7.2 billion from $9.43 billion a year earlier. Operating profit rose 7% to $4.85 billion. And in today's earning releases, we'll be getting results out from Priceline, Cognizant Tech Solutions, Marriott International, Cisco, as well as Microchip Technology. As for economic data, at 10 a.m. Eastern Time, we will be getting the October Labor Market Conditions Index. And we will also be getting the September Consumer Credit figures out later in the afternoon. As for the overseas markets, Asian markets were higher today. The Nikkei gained 1.6%, the Hang Seng up 0.7%, and South Korea's Kospi up 0.8%. European indices are also gaining ground on Monday. As for the U.S. equity indices, for the S&P 500 on an intraday basis, a further advance is expected. Now, trading central analysts prefer long positions above 2080, with targets standing at 2119 and 2129.5 in extension. As for the Nasdaq on an intraday basis, it is turning higher, according to trading central analysts. And for the Dow Industrials, a continuation of a rebound is expected.